Okay, welcome back. What I want to look at today is measuring ZE, external earth fault loop impedance. Now what I've done here is to give you a view. Now please note this is purely diagrammatical from my point of view, okay? So again, it's important that you look at the IEE regs, look at your on-site guide to make sure that you're compliant with the regulations as they are at that point in time. Okay, this is just an overview of the ZE criteria. Okay, now in one of the videos as well, I've already done the ZE, measuring ZE in full, so take a look at that. I will try to see if I can find that and see if I need to do any amendments to it, okay, to make it more easier to understand. Okay, so what I've done here is to try to make this a little bit more easier to understand, but you will need to apply your own research, look at the on-site guide, okay, make sure you understand that. Okay, and let me just go back, pan back, but make sure that we get this in full. Okay, now here we have our incoming earth disconnected from block for testing. Okay, red probe, okay, and you have the green probe. Now this is your mega, and it's in the HI in green section. Okay, now obviously you may use a different mega because these equipment keeps on changing, but it still needs to meet the standard of the G38 standard, I believe. Don't hold me to that, because I believe it is G38 for the standard for measuring instruments in regards to megas and so forth. But please check for yourselves, make sure you are compliant with the regulation as it stands, because things change, and some of these changes may well sometimes happen faster than we can expect. Okay, so check, 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 and don't forget, please, safety, safety, safety. Okay, now I'm just going and bring this in. Now this is done with the supply switched off. Okay, and here we have the supply switched off, and again you must comply with the IEE regs and your on-site guide. It is paramount that you refer to these things. Look in the index if you can't find it. Okay, it's just written up in the index. Okay, and here we are. Okay, let's go up a little bit. To calculate ZE using the mega, we must have the green lead connected to the incoming earth. The incoming earth must be disconnected from the earth block in the board. The mega must be set to HI in the green section. The red probe on incoming mains. Okay. Now prospective fault current, PFC. This test measures the maximum current that will flow in the circuit under fault conditions. The protective device must have a higher fault current rating. Prospective fault current, PFC. The protective device must have a higher fault current rating. Simple as that, sorry. Okay. Now obviously what you need to be aware of is that you need a protective device that's not going to explode if you have a sudden high current, because that's what happens if the protective device is not at the adequate enough, I should say, has adequate enough capability to handle the excessive amount of current should a fault occurs. So your protective device must be able to handle that fault current. Therefore, it needs to be ensured that it won't explode, because if it explodes, then you're going to be causing more damage than anything else. Okay, so paramount that your protective device must be capable of handling the excessive current. I cannot emphasize that enough. Let me make that clear. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's just continuous than the measured prospective flow current. Okay. Now, if the protected device is rated at less than the prospective flow current, then it could be damaged by the high current generated when a fault occurs. As I've just said, the prospective flow current should be highest at the origin of the installation. Okay, and that's about it actually. Okay, it's just a little bit of, it's just a little tip for yourselves. Okay, and I'm just going to go back, make sure that we have it all in frame. Okay, and let me just pan back so we can get this in frame in full view. Okay. Let me just go down a little bit. Okay, and then let me just go back up to make sure it's in view, full view. Okay, diagram is there. Yes, we have. Okay. 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 Right. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.